Hi students! In this short video, I want to show you a little bit more about the Schoology calendar with a couple tips that I think might help you. So I've started my video today in the materials section of the Upper School Enrollment All course, and I am going to navigate from here to my Schoology calendar. So I'm going to go in the upper right. It is this little calendar icon next to the bell that is a signal for notifications. So I'm going to click on that, and it is going to load into the Schoology calendar that's built for me. So the way that the Schoology calendar works is that it takes any event, assignment, or anything like that that has a date associated with it, and it aggregates all of those things into a calendar that's personalized for you. So I am a member, I'm going to show you here, I'm a member of a lot of calendars. I'm upper school faculty, I'm a member of all of the different student calendars, I have a couple test courses, I'm in a lot of the faculty groups, I'm a student right now in a couple science classes because I was helping with something. I'm a member of several groups. So I've got a lot of stuff going on in my calendar. I believe it's 31 calendars to be specific. But I imagine that a lot of your calendars look a lot like this too, where you're a member of a lot of classes, a lot of groups, and so on and so forth. So let's look at how we can take the color coding here to make it work for you a little bit better. And I want to show you also a couple navigation tips. So we're actually going to start with those navigation tips. It defaults you into the month view. I just want to point out here in the upper right that you can toggle that to week or even to day. I'm going to settle on week here. I also want to show you that you don't have to look at all the calendars at once. You can check off just a few that you want to see and just have only those ones show up. Or if you uncheck them, then all the calendars appear. So it's kind of a little bit tricky there. And then I also want to demonstrate, obviously, that you can toggle from week to week here as well. So now that we've gotten through all of that, I want to show you also some of how the colors work at the beginning. So you're going to have a calendar that's just yours. You can create events for yourself right inside the Schoology calendar, and you're the only one who ever sees, though. It's your me calendar, right? And then any course is this, I guess it's like a peachy, it looks like peach to me. I'm not sure. All the colors are pastel, but it's got this peach color for a course, and then groups. So that would be clubs that you might be involved in. Those are going to be green, or this like pale green color. So it's in this menu, this drop down where it says all calendars here, where you can change the colors. So I might make the upper school faculty course, maybe I'll make that this hot pink. And then maybe I would do the upper school enrollment all in green. And then maybe I would use class colors for the other class groups. We don't have all of the colors here, but you get the idea. So I'm just simply clicking on that little color box, and I'm just picking a color from the panel there. If I really go into this, and I can get a couple others just to give you a sense of what it could look like for you, to really have a variety of colors appearing on your calendar. It can be really helpful to just have that visual cue that not everything is for, all one class. It's broken up. Maybe pick, blue for science or what have you. So as I cycle through, and I'll go backwards a little bit because I think that'll show you more. Now I've got a lot more color to go on, and I can create an event for myself. So let's say that on Monday, I want to have a, some sort of event here that maybe it's just a reminder to myself, finish project, right? And I can have that last from 10 a.m. to on the same day. And let's give it an end time. Let's say I wanted to give myself 2 hours to finish this project. It's only, notice if I scroll down a little bit here, this is only appearing on my me calendar as students, unless you are an admin for one of the student courses or for a group, you would not be able to copy your event to anybody else but your own self. And so I can just hit create. And now I've got that in my calendar. So if you really wanted to have all of your schoolwork meet up with any of the things that you need to do for yourself too, to sort of map out your day, this calendar feature might be really helpful for you. So just a really quick recap. We navigated to the calendar by using that calendar icon in the upper right. We know that we can toggle from month view to week view to day view. We know that we can toggle calendars on by using the all calendars drop down and check off just the ones we want to look at. And we know that we can also change the colors by clicking on the little color box to the right of the name of the calendar. So I really hope this information is helpful. I hope you all are doing really well with your distance learning. Please do reach out to me if you have any questions about any of the technology that the school is using, or any questions at all, or anything I can do to support you. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.